They say breakfast is the most important meal of the day. And with these amped up pancake recipes, it's also the most delicious. From sweet Oreo top pancakes to savory bacon-filled pancakes to pancakes that don't even need to be flipped. Here are some of our most decadent pancakes that go beyond the box mix and are sure to get your day started off on the right foot. These Copycat milk and cookies pancakes are an Oreo lover's dream come true. Crushed sandwich cookies are baked right into the stack and layered with a light cream cheese mousse and vanilla icing drizzle. Be sure to serve with a glass of cold milk for the full Oreo experience. Hummingbird cake is a southern staple, and these pancakes bring all the tropical sweetness to breakfast. This stack is chock full of pineapple, banana, and pecans, and drizzled in a tangy cream cheese sauce. In place of the traditional cream cheese frosting, make a simple cream cheese creme anglaise sauce that brings all of the tang of cream cheese with an added richness from egg yolks. Stack them up, top with even more fruit, pecans, and creamy sauce, and dig in. Blueberry pancakes are a classic. This stack gets an extra boost of flavor and nutrition from whole wheat flour, griddle until golden brown, then top with butter and some cornmeal for a rustic southern twist. More fresh berries or warmed blueberry jam, and of course, a good glug of maple syrup. What's more classic than a stack of pancakes and some bacon? This recipe combines the best of both worlds with sweet and savory pancakes that bake the bacon right in. Thick slices of cooked bacon are topped with rich buttermilk pancake batter. Then the griddle does the rest. Swirl rounds of pancake batter around the bacon, or to make it even more fun for the kids, pour the batter in a parallel line over the bacon slices to create handheld pancake dippers, perfect for sinking into syrup. You'll flip over this irresistible stack of pancakes, inspired by another popular breakfast treat, cinnamon rolls. Basic buttery pancake batter is transformed with a swirl of gooey cinnamon sugar filling, combined right in a zip-top bag to make piping easy. Pile up your pancakes, then drizzle with a simple sweet cream cheese glaze or maple syrup, or both if that's how you roll. Tired of flipping flapjacks? These adorable, snackable pancake poppers are the answer. Prepare a super simple pancake batter by mixing your wet and dry ingredients, then combining. Then simply scoop the batter into a greased mini muffin tin and bake. These bite-sized pancakes are perfect for kids and can be topped with maple syrup, jam, or even chocolate syrup and sprinkles for a special treat. Cabbage may seem like an unexpected choice for breakfast, but these cabbage pancakes, or okonomiyaki, are a traditional Japanese savory pancake. Start with sliced cabbage and seasonings like togarashi, a fiery Japanese spice blend. Once the cabbage is softened, just add an egg, green onions, and bacon, and cook. Garnish your pancake in the style of Japanese street food, with a drizzle of spicy mayo and more green onions. These might just be your new favorite pancakes. This sheet pan Dutch baby is the perfect dish to whip up for a group brunch. It's full of fall flavor with cinnamon baked apples, and the batter is so easy to make. Just combine in a blender and pour onto a hot buttered sheet pan with your apples. Slice into squares and serve with a dusting of powdered sugar for brunch, or with a scoop of ice cream for dessert. Break out the maple syrup and make these decadent pancakes for your next breakfast or brunch. They're flippin' good.